in this problem, we're given three different variables, t, s, and r. And we are looking for what the value of r is. However, we want to notice that we're given what both t and s equal. So we know that anywhere that there is a t in this equation, we can plug in the value 10. And any spot that there is an s in the equation, we can plug in the value 4. So let's begin by rewriting the equation with these new values of t and s. So we get 2 times t, and remember t equals 10, equals 4 times the quantity of s, which we know is 4, minus 2/5 r. Now, we're trying to find the value of r, so we need to get r by itself. So let's begin by simplifying. On the left side of the equation, we have 2 times 10, which gives us 20. Now, continuing to simplify, on the right side of the equation, we have 4 times the quantity of 4 minus 2/5 r. So the first thing we want to do is to simplify out with this 4. So since we're multiplying the quantity by 4, the opposite operation would be to divide it by 4. And if we do one thing to the right side of the equation, we must do the same to the left. So these 4's divide out to 1, and on the left side we get 5 equals 4 minus 2/5 r. Now the next step would be to get rid of this 4 again, and so we'll subtract 4 from each side. So we're left with 1 equals negative 2/5 r. Now, since we're multiplying by a negative 2/5, we want to divide by a negative 2/5. And if you remember, if you're dividing by a fraction, it's the same as multiplying by that fraction's reciprocal. So really, we can multiply each side by a negative 5/2. And that will leave us with r equals 1 times negative 5/2 is just negative 5/2. So our final answer is E. R equals negative 5/2.